Hello, hello. I'm Monica Bravo. I am a holistic health coach, life coach, and a mindset transformational coach. I work with women all over the world that need help in planning their business, help transforming their packages, and really are ready to step into their true power. Now, my 10-day challenge is about you truly stepping into your power, right? Thinking about over 10 days in less than an hour a day, how you can transform your business and attract new clients to your business so that you're making $1, $2, $3, $10,000. So whatever it is, whatever your goal is, over 10 days, we will be step by step, we will be reaching your goals. And over 10 days, what I want to give you is a foundation of where to start, because most people, most entrepreneurs are feeling stuck, right? They feel stuck. They don't know where to start, or they start and they don't know which direction to go next. So what I'm providing is a 10-day blueprint that I have used in the past when I am marketing my programs, my business, and what I've helped many of my entrepreneurs in different businesses I've been in. I've helped many women start their business and really launch their signature programs and their practices. So the 10-day challenge is about you finding who the clients are that you're attracting. So the first day, what we do is we take inventory. We inventory what is going on in our personal life and our business life. So that's number one. The second part, what we do is we think about our audience, like who is it that we are attracting? Who do we just love to work with? So I want you to think about that. Who do you want to work with in your life, and who do you want to attract? So let's just go through this. The next day, you're attracting these clients. Like, who do you want to work with? And I'm going to show you a process I've used to attract those clients on social media. And then we will talk about what you're offering. So what are you truly offering as a yoga teacher, spiritual healer, entrepreneur, what coach, right? Life and health coach. What are you offering? And really nailing down what you have to offer and what you are going to offer. Then we'll talk about Facebook pages, making sure you create a very profitable Facebook page and a Facebook group where you and your following can hang out. We'll talk about your vision, and we'll talk about really having self-acceptance, right? So we all need more acceptance and love for ourselves. We will go into our money mindset, and we'll talk about daily and weekly rituals that you can use to really transform your business. So as a female entrepreneur, we all need support, and you are welcome to join my free Facebook group. It's Live Your Bliss with Monica Bravo, and we are a supportive collective community that is ready to transform our businesses and just really want support. So join me there and join the 10-day challenge.